Hold on to your hats, you're about to witness an epic scene featuring giant saws, towering trees, and the raw power of nature unleashed. This video will get your excitement pumping. Prepare for an unforgettable experience. Watch as this assembled beast turns raw wood into perfect blocks with ease. Precision meets power, with every cut as sharp as the chains. Ready to see it in action? With its massive branches and towering height, this isn't just any tree, it's a challenge that demands precision and skill. Will his team succeed without a hitch, or will this tree put up a fight? Watch a true craftsman turn raw logs into perfectly measured 2 centimeters x 16 centimeters x 168 centimeters with a steel chainsaw. With precision like this, you'd think he was wielding a laser instead of 7.3 horsepower. How does a chainsaw manage such finesse? Buckle up for some heart-stopping uphill wood transportation incidents. Ever wondered what happens when the laws of physics meet the thrill of lumberjacking? Meet the homemade wood splitter, your do-it-yourself dream that transforms logs into firewood faster. With a 10 horsepower engine, are you ready to unleash your inner lumberjack? Get ready for the ultimate pulling tree fail, where even the toughest machines outsmart gravity. Well, this attempt may leave you laughing and wondering, how much force does it really take to take down a tree? They're introducing the new power split log splitter, because who needs an axe when you've got 20 tons of hydraulic power at your fingertips? Well, this beast slices through logs like bread. How fast can it split? You'll have to see it to believe it. Get ready for the Mountain King, an extremely strong timber truck, handling slippery roads like it's just another day at the office. With a 500 horsepower engine and massive torque, it's built to conquer any terrain. How does it handle such crazy conditions? You'll be shocked. How can this wood chipper handle such large trees with such ease? Though you won't believe the power behind its blade. Watch it turn towering tree trunks into firewood in seconds. Say goodbye to stubborn Stump's 330 Excavator, and gnarly Stump's Splitter came to the rescue. With 271 horsepower driving the action, this combo tears through wood like butter with jaw-dropping power and precision. Meet the Nishala 555C, paired with a Volvo 145 and Flex 14 undercarriage, your ultimate tree-slaying sidekick. With its powerful 150 horsepower engine, this machine dances through the forest like it's on a mission. Ever wondered how it tackles those tricky terrains effortlessly? Creating homemade firewood is like crafting your own cozy atmosphere. Picture yourself chopping and stacking seasoned logs, ready to unleash warmth and crackling sounds in your fireplace. Brace yourself for the Steel M661C, a chainsaw so powerful it makes cutting ash for firewood feel like slicing through butter. With a 91 Seek engine and 7.2 horsepower, this beast dominates the woodpile. You're ready to see this firewood frenzy in action? Thanks to human ingenuity, a self-invented machine has been put to the test, designed to effortlessly split large logs while significantly reducing labor time. This innovative contraption is here to revolutionize wood splitting. Ever wondered how to keep expensive wood looking flawless? Get ready to witness genius at work, pushing craftsmanship to its limit. With meticulous care and top-notch tools, this wood is full of secrets.